When you think of eagles hunting mountain goats, you probably imagine a lone bird diving from the sky. But here's a fact that will completely change how you see these incredible hunters. Eagles don't always work alone when taking down large prey like mountain goats. In fact, some of the most successful hunts happen when multiple eagles coordinate their attacks in a synchronized strategy that's absolutely mind-blowing. Let's dive into this lesser-known aspect of eagle hunting behavior. Mountain goats are incredibly tough prey. They weigh between 100 and 300 pounds, they have razor-sharp horns, and they live on nearly vertical cliff faces where they're almost impossible to catch. Most animals would never even attempt to hunt something so dangerous and well-protected. But eagles have evolved something truly extraordinary. They've learned to hunt as a team. When eagles hunt together, they don't just randomly attack from different angles. There's an actual strategy involved. One eagle might swoop in from above to distract the goat, forcing it to look upward and lose its footing. While the goat is focused on that threat, a second or even third eagle comes in from a different direction, targeting the goat's flanks or attempting to separate it from the herd. This coordinated assault overwhelms the goat's defense mechanisms. The poor animal doesn't know which direction to defend itself, and it becomes vulnerable. What's even more fascinating is that these hunting partnerships aren't random. Research has shown that eagles develop long-term cooperative relationships with specific partners, sometimes the same partner for years. These could be mates, siblings, or other related birds. They learn each other's hunting styles, they understand how their partner will move, and they can predict what the other eagle will do next. It's like watching a perfectly choreographed dance, except the dancers are massive birds of prey, and the stakes couldn't be higher. The communication between hunting partners is also incredible. Eagles use specific vocalizations and body language to coordinate their attacks before and during the hunt. A particular call might mean get ready to attack, while another might signal retreat. They've developed an entire language just for hunting together. Imagine being part of a team where you don't need to speak the same way humans do, but you still understand exactly what your partner needs from you in a split second. Now here's something that makes this even more interesting. Not all eagles hunt in groups. Some populations rely more heavily on solo hunting, while others have developed these cooperative tactics as their primary hunting method. Scientists believe this difference comes down to the environment and available prey. In areas where mountain goats are particularly abundant and dangerous, eagles have evolved stronger cooperative hunting behaviors because it's simply more successful. It's natural selection in action. The success rate of cooperative hunts is significantly higher than solo hunts. When an eagle hunts alone, it might succeed in bringing down a mountain goat maybe one time out of every 10 attempts. But when 2 or 3 eagles hunt together, they can increase that success rate dramatically, sometimes up to 4 or 5 times more successful. This means cooperative hunting isn't just an interesting behavior, it's actually a survival advantage that these birds have refined over thousands of years. But here's the twist. Cooperating comes with costs. When multiple eagles successfully bring down prey, they have to share the meal. So why would they do it if they could eat the whole thing themselves? The answer is simple but profound. A shared meal is better than no meal at all. An eagle that never successfully catches anything doesn't survive to pass on its genes. An eagle that catches something every few days, even if it has to share, thrives, and reproduces. This hunting behavior also shows us just how intelligent these birds are. They can plan, communicate, cooperate, and adapt their strategies based on the situation. They remember successful tactics and teach them to their offspring. Young eagles actually learn how to hunt from watching their parents and other family members, picking up these cooperative techniques as part of their education. The next time you see an eagle soaring through the sky, remember that this bird might be planning something far more complex than you ever imagined. It might be communicating with a hunting partner, scouting for vulnerable prey, or preparing for a perfectly timed, coordinated attack. Eagles aren't just powerful hunters, they're strategic thinkers and team players.